Today we are finally going to visit one of the best sunrise spots in entire Bali. Oh my god, I hate these steps. Good luck to us. This place is really famous because of the natural pools. Let's jump in the water as well. Oh. So you have to be very careful here, guys. It's very slippery.
I don't know where to go.
Oh!
You see? You don't have to pay anything. There's no entrance fee or anything at all at this waterfall. You just have to pay a donation, so you can give out as much as you want. Ooh.
So we just found Gypsy Sneakers. She's the best YouTuber in Bali. Check her out, she's very good.
We also met her mom.
Yeah.
Yes, I met my mom. We just came back to the motorbikes and we realized that Mike forgot the keys of the motorbike on the ignition. And let's see what he will do now that he will realize that he doesn't have the keys.
Maybe you left it on the bike. No way.
No, are you sure?
No way, isn't it? No way.
Surely not. No.
You left it on the bike.
We just stopped for a quick lunch and hopefully we are not gonna die today. He showed us this place.
Don't worry, guys. It's just gonna make you sick for 2 days.
Have the first bite. I wanna see if you are going to survive.
No.
Still alive.
Getting ready for the mountain.
Fried chicken, burger, a wrap, fries,
Yeah.
and whatever left of my
Empty.
food.
What do we get for it? Oh, that's cool.
This is a really
Like
cool.
Arby.
This is good.
We only need sockets. Are there sockets here?
Socket.
Yeah, show us the sockets.
Boom.
1,
One each is
2. Yeah, there.
Lizard.
I think we are good here, guys. What do you think?
I'll take it for 70.
If you manage. After driving for almost 1.5 hours, we made it to our accommodation. 80,000 per person, which is not bad, without breakfast, without anything.
We are gonna sleep for 4 hours. It's currently 10 a.m. We are gonna wake up at 2 a.m. We are 2 minutes away from the meeting point, from the starting point actually. We are gonna rest for a little bit. See you in a bit. See you in 1 second actually, but for us it's 4 hours. You still here? Ooh, I made a transition, look at that. You still here?
My, good morning.
This is not a good morning.
I can tell by your hair.
My whole life.
We lost one. Okay, I think we found the correct place.
Don't buy the cost.
We are a quick group. We are good.
1 hour and 10 minutes left.
1 hour 10 minutes.
Let's do it. We made it, guys, but unfortunately we can't show you much now. We have to wait a little bit. And then
Mike is doing us the,
oh, thanks Mike. Yeah.
the support on the lighting.
So we have to wait for a while and we'll show you the sunrise in a bit. In case you are interested, it took us 1 hour and 30 minutes.
Only?
Yeah.
Guys, it's so cold. You can't even imagine because we were sweating so much by coming up here. it. It's actually pretty cold here, but the good thing is that you can buy some hot coffee, hot tea, or anything else that can warm you up.
Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, and I say, it's alright.
So a couple of useful information for this trip for you guys. So you have in mind when you want to come to Mount Batur. For this hiking we paid 200k each. I think we got a better price because we were 10 people in total. If you're a large group, keep that in mind. Thought that we wouldn't have a breakfast included in that price, but at the end of the day they felt sorry for us, or I don't know what. They were so kind and they provided us a breakfast as well. You have two options when visiting Mount Batur for the hike. You can either come by yourself and find a local guide here at the village, or you can hire a driver that will pick you up from your own hotel in Ubud or Canggu, and of course you will have to pay more about that. The best option would be to maybe book a hostel or a local guest house, so you can spend the night and wake up at around 2 o'clock in the morning, so you can start the hiking. There are several hiking trails you can follow. I think we took the most hard one because it took us less time though to reach the top, which was nice. And we got here before the crowd, so we had a very good spot to watch the sunrise. Also, it's good to keep in mind that there are several spots where you can sit and watch the sunrise. It depends on your guide on where he will decide to take you, but anywhere you go you will have the most beautiful view of the volcano.
Hello. Monkey business, guys.
It's quite slippery when you get down.
Yeah. Are you okay?
Dominic is a beast.
He saved the camera, yeah.
Yes. So a good tip to have in mind, guys, is to wear proper shoes. If you have hiking shoes, even better. Dominic had a small accident maybe because of the shoes. It wasn't the best choice. Although Mike is wearing worse shoes, he's wearing sandals and he's still alive. I don't know how he managed.
We just woke up, we had a quick nap, and now we are heading to the lake because it's right opposite of our hostel.
Sorry for the sleepy face, but I'm really tired. But a quick note, in this area there are quite a few hot springs which you can visit, and I've heard that it's actually a pretty relaxing experience. So if you have time, you can do that as well.
That was it for today.
Oh my god, hiking Mount Batur was the most amazing experience ever. We couldn't recommend it more. And if you have some more time to spare, it's also nice to explore the surrounding areas of Mount Batur. If you guys are planning to visit Mount Batur anytime soon and you have any questions, just make sure to leave a comment down below and we get back to you shortly.
Thank you so much for watching, and as we always say, let's escape to the next one.